This is the solution video for Unit 8 review, problem number 1. All right, so if v equals t squared plus t minus 2, find the displacement and total distance traveled when t is between 0 and 2. And this is a setup only problem, right? So you don't have to carry out the integral. All right, so we need to recall that displacement is found by taking the integral from a to b of velocity, right? And so really we're just looking at the integral of t squared plus t minus 2 with respect to t from 0 to 2, right? And so in a setup only scenario, this is it. All right. Now, the total distance, all right, that is found by taking the integral of the absolute value of velocity. And so integral of the absolute value of t squared plus t minus 2, right, with respect to t from 0 to 2. Now, in this setup only scenario, right, this setup is insufficient. We actually have to go a little further. So we need to know when t squared plus t minus 2 is positive when it's negative, right? So we actually need to set it equal to 0. We need to factor t plus 2, t minus 1, right? And then we get that t equals -2 or +1, right? So now we need to do our sign analysis. So I'm going to put -2 over here, 1 over here, okay? And then I have t plus 2 and t minus 1. All right. And so I put a 0 above -2 and I put a 0 above 1. All right. And so then I fill in number to the left of -2 like -3. -3 plus 2 is negative. To the right, like 0. 0 plus 2 is positive. All right. And then over here, number to the left of 1 like 0. 0 minus 1 is negative. And then a number to the right like 2. 2 minus 1 is positive, right? So the fact is that this velocity is positive, then negative, then positive, right? Now, remember, though, we only care about from 0 to 2. Right? So 0 is right here and 2 is right here. So the fact is from 0 to 1, velocity is negative. So that means I'm going to take the opposite of the integral from 0 to 1 of t squared plus t minus 2 with respect to t. And then I'm going to add the integral from 1 to 2 of the velocity t squared plus t minus 2 dt. And so that is our setup. So you need to make sure that you are splitting it up and you're dealing with the absolute value. So the answer for displacement is that, and the answer for total distance is that. All right, so that is problem number 1.